Hi, my name is Mr. Russo. I am your Calm teacher. When you log in, you know you've got the right course if you see the Titleist, the golf ball in this image. Yes, I am a golf fanatic. How to work this course. First off, you start by going to the announcements. Read these announcements. This provides really important information, and it will save you the grief of, well, I don't get it. Well, read the information and you will see and understand what to do. If you have issues, then let me know and I'll help you out. As we scroll down these announcements, there's a human sexuality notice. Now, this is only sent, this form is only sent if you do not wish to take the human sexuality course content. So if you do want to take the content, do nothing, and you will be automatically enrolled in that content later on this month. Now, if we keep scrolling, the essentials, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the essentials. This is the very first part of our course, critical, because it gives you the skills that you need. And if we keep scrolling, the Turnitin, the plagiarism software, basically what we're telling you here is if your work is copied, whether from another student or an online source, and you don't have proper citation for the online source, copying from another student is a big no-no. We will know, we will see that with this software. If we keep scrolling, and that's the start for announcements. Announcements are job one. Private discussions are next. Now, private discussions are going to be found if you click this icon for discussions. And it will open. There are 3 parts to the discussions. There's the private discussions. This is where you communicate with me privately, just you and I. Nobody else will see this. The second part is the essentials, posting to a discussion. This is where you put the very first assignment here. You don't put it in the private discussions, and you don't put it down here in the emotional wellness. It goes in this thread, posting to a discussion. Click on it and follow the instructions. Now, going back to our course home. Let's let this load. Content. Once you've carefully read the announcements and any private discussions I've created for you, you're going to click on the icon Content, and hopefully it'll go a little faster than that. And you're going to go to the first module. That module is the essentials. And the first content page is posting to a discussion. Click on that, open that. Watch the video and read the information. Watch the video that I created and read this section that tells you exactly what you need to do. Now, once you've done it, on the bottom of the page, it will tell you what's going to happen next. Now, if there's any questions about that, again, be sure to use your private discussions and let me know what your concern is or what you're not understanding. So if we click back to content here, page will load at its pace. Okay. Once this is done, then you'll go to the file management. This is a discussion thread. File management is an assignment. Time management is an assignment. Quizzes is a content page. Digital citizenship is a quiz. Academic honesty is a quiz. So you'll need to click at the top of the page for the proper icons to do this. So the file management and the time management are going to go here. The quizzes, you're going to click on the quizzes. Now with the quizzes, you do get 2 attempts. Make sure you understand before you do the quizzes. Read the content. I'm suggesting to people, if you have a dual screen, have one screen with the quiz and one screen with the content. And that should help you work through that quiz, a little bit like an open book. This useful resource is an excellent icon, and there's really outstanding information there for you. Now, That's the way this course starts. You're going to work through the essentials. Once you've got the essentials, then you're going to move to the introduction. Now, if you haven't got these assignments in the essentials completed, I'm going to be saying to you, hey, this has got to be done first. So if you're going random and you're deciding, oh, I'm going to do choosing a home because I think that's cool, well, trust me, that's not a successful way to do this course. And I've taught thousands, and that just, it's a real low percentage of people who successfully complete CALM by going random. Anyways, any further issues, questions, or concerns, go to your discussions, use your private discussions, and let me know what issues you have. Again, remember, read carefully, work through the content sequentially, don't skip pages, don't skip content. Thanks and good luck. Wishing you all the best, truly.